I thought I had enough black the weed um for my garden, and I see that I don't. So that means I'm gonna have to go get some more. But I'm gonna show you just the last rows that I got. The plants that you see in here is the plants that I had grew in the pots in the little containers, and they coming up so far so good. Some of them seem like it just disappeared. And so basically, if they're not gonna come up, I'm gonna have to just go ahead and buy them. Because I found when I planted the carrots and stuff like that, the carrots did not come up in the containers. And some of the collard seeds haven't come up yet. So I'm gonna just probably end up buying them if I can't get them to grow. But I'm gonna go ahead and put these little stakes down so I can hold this in the ground. And I guess I'll be getting some more to finish it up. But look, subscribe to my channel and thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.